on voit un peu. Ouais, ça a pas l'air terrible quand même. Je sais pas, je vois un peu là-bas. Dommage que je puisse pas voir bien. Attends, si là je peux voir. Elle a pas l'air d'avoir beaucoup plus. Enfin, je veux dire, elle est pas hyper sale. Puis elle est pas par terre, abattue. Faut que tu montes tes petites fesses. Tu veux bien l'emmener un peu là-bas, que je vois un peu derrière, si tu vois, si tu peux la faire, si elle veut te suivre. Peut-être donne-lui un peu d'air, un truc comme ça. Mais même si je puisse voir si. On voit qu'elle est bien marron de l'autre côté là. Écoute, je trouve pas que ce soit plus mouillé. Mais bon, c'est quand même pas top quoi. Mais c'est pas génial. Hein. Après, elle mange hein, quand tu lui donnes et tout, donc elle est pas par terre, abattue.
Tout à l'heure, c'était la seule à être couchée là-bas, mais bon.
Oui, mais bon, qu'elle se coucher de temps en temps, c'est quand même normal.
Oui.
Faut pas dramatiser trop. So she just pooped, and it was diarrhea. So she's 6 months old. So it could be some small parasite. And we just hope it is small parasite and not something else, because I can treat this parasite with plants. But yeah. I guess my young goat have coccidiosis, so I will wash all the buckets with vinegar, and I will show you what I do to treat her, and I hope it will work. So now all the buckets are clean, and I will add some apple cider vinegar to the water. You have to add 5 milliliters per liter, so I will add probably 50 milliliters, a bit less than a quart of a cup per bucket, a bit less in this bucket. I have added the vinegar, apple cider vinegar. As you can see, it is very little. I don't want to add more because my goats need water, and I'm not sure they will drink water if they can smell something not normal in it. So I guess it is enough. A bit difficult with the camera. And the little goat who is sick will be here tonight, not in the cage, but she will probably sleep over the cage, on the cage, because I can then monitor her, and I will be able to see if she's eating and drinking, and if she sleeps here alone tonight, I'm sure she will be able to eat and drink, and that the other goats won't be nasty with her. So this is my health mix with some molasses and water, and I have added some pumpkin seeds and garlic extra. I don't want to add Artemisia because I guess they are pregnant, and it is not really recommended when they are pregnant. So this is probably the reason why the young goats is having coccidiosis, because I used to give them Artemisia too, but I haven't done this in maybe 1 month. So I will give them this mix and some cabbage, and I will add some activated charcoal. So this is a good thing if they have coccidiosis, because it will kill the toxin, and this is a good thing if they are sick, or if the young one is sick, because she maybe can have eaten something wrong. So this is very useful. So I will just add a bit, because I'm not sure they will eat it with activated charcoal. So just a bit to every bucket. So I sprinkle it over the food, and I will mix it afterwards. Activated charcoal is very useful against poisoning. So I'm not sure the young one have coccidiosis, right? So I want to be sure she's not poisoned. And it is also a good thing against diarrhea. So I have added some cabbage. Cabbage is good against coccidiosis because it is some sulfur in it. And I really hope they will eat the mix, because goats are very pricky. They used to eat it without a problem. They used to like it very much. But I'm not sure with activated charcoal and apple cider vinegar in the water. It is very important to have water when you give your animals activated charcoal, because they need to have much water to process it. But it is very good medicine. So I will give them some more hay, but nothing else. And I treat, of course, all my goats, because I don't know what is the problem really. Coccidiosis is not a very big problem to adult goats. It is a problem to goats up to 6 months, and my young goat is 6 months old. So I guess it will be fine, but I'm not sure really. I haven't had this problem before. The good thing is that she's eating, and all of my goats are eating. so they liked it. They were even fighting, so this is a good thing concerning the food. Yeah, because it means they like it, right? They usually like it very much, as I said. So here is a sick one, and I hope she will recover soon. I'm very glad she's eating. She has eaten the whole thing. Just came and sees that all the food was eaten, so it's a very good thing. And she's eating hay. I will just change her water. So we take some apple cider vinegar. Again, the water was not really dirty, but I want to give her the cleanest water possible. I cannot see any poop here, I just add water. So I'm pretty happy. This is just some of the food she spilled on the ground. Hi. So I'm pretty happy. We'll see tomorrow.